What are smart security devices?
Smart security devices are electronic gadgets like cameras, motion sensors, and doorbells that connect to your Wi-Fi network. They let you monitor your home from your phone, receive alerts when something unusual happens, and sometimes even interact with visitors remotely. These devices are designed for easy installation, so homeowners can boost security without hiring a professional.
Getting ready for installation.
Before you begin, choose the right devices for your needs. Consider the areas of your home you want to monitor. Make sure your Wi-Fi is strong in those locations. Read the included instructions and charge or insert any required batteries. Most devices also need you to download their companion app to your smartphone or tablet.
Mounting and placing devices.
Start by mounting cameras or sensors in key spots, like entryways and main halls. Many smart devices come with adhesive strips or screws for easy placement. Be sure there's a clear view of the area you want covered, and keep devices out of reach of potential tampering. Follow any safety tips in the manual to avoid damage during installation.
Connecting to Wi-Fi and setup.
Open the device's app and follow the on-screen steps to connect your device to Wi-Fi. Most apps use QR codes or simple instructions to sync your device. Name each camera or sensor for easy identification later. Adjust settings like motion sensitivity and notification preferences directly from the app after pairing is complete.
Testing and using your system.
Once everything is set up, test your devices to make sure they work as expected. Walk past cameras and sensors to check if notifications arrive. Try viewing live video or history through the app. Regularly check batteries and software updates to keep your system secure and reliable. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with DIY smart home security.